Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Bojan and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for a ring light for your cell phone? Stay tuned.
This is the Bauer pocket-sized ring light, which can be used with various cell phones if you need to add more light to your vlogs, your selfies, or whatever it is that you're doing. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, which can be charged using a micro USB cable. It comes with 36 LED lights and 3 levels of brightness. The light simply clips onto any cell phone using the built-in clip. It's very simple and takes just a few seconds to install. As mentioned, there are 3 levels of brightness. This is what it looks like when the light is off completely. This is the first level, which gives you a little bit of light, and it might be just enough in various situations. This is the second level, which obviously is a lot more light compared to the first level. And this is the third level, which you probably are going to use if you are using this light for yourself, especially if it's the only light available. And here you can see the comparisons, all 3 levels, and there's definitely a difference between the first and the third level for sure. Here's what it looks like on a human being. So here's no light at all on me. Here it is with the first level, and even that makes definitely a difference. I'm only using natural light here coming from the right, and this is the second level, which evens out the face for sure. And then the third level, in this case, it's actually a little bit of overkill, but it definitely makes a difference for sure.
So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this little light is pretty flexible. Now, you don't have to use it for your cell phone. I mean, you could use it even if you have your DSLR mirrorless camera, whatever it is, with you, and you need just a little bit of light, maybe on your face, maybe you're vlogging, whatever it is, you can definitely use it. Now, I'm not saying you should use this light as your main light and that's it, right? Don't use anything else. Obviously not. This is intended if you need either just a little bit of light, or maybe you're in a pinch and you just, this is all you have with you, or maybe you want to travel very light, compact, that kind of stuff, or maybe you're starting off and you just don't have the money, right? I mean, you're looking at $5 to $10 for this type of a light. Links to everything will be in the description, so check that out. So yeah, if you're in any of those situations, this will definitely work, right? And that's it. There's not much more to say about this. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more. That's it. Thanks.